Hi Queens, Ms. PKs and Ms. PK's Crochet Braids located in McDonough. And today I am bringing you this awesome installation which is called the Twist Rod 6-inch. You guys, I have been getting so many compliments on this hair and I absolutely love this hair. It looks so natural. That's what I love about it. It looks like it's my hair. It really, really does. And as you guys know, if you follow me for a while, last summer or this past summer, I put in the afro kinky twist and I was loving this look. So I have a video on this of how I did this, you know, untwisted, took it out. And so I got the big hair and then I went ahead and chopped it down to real short and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful look. And it hung this away and it was a looser curl pattern and I absolutely loved it. But the problem was that it was hard to manage. So I only kept it short for about a week. Only kept it short for about a week. And because it was so hard to manage and take care of, even me, for being a crochet braid master stylist, it was hard for me to manage. So I just took it out, had it in for about a week. Then I love that look. I said, there's got to be another hair out there where I can get that same look. So I came across this hair, Twist Rod 6-inch by Lil Looks. This is actually a kid's hair crochets, 6 inches. So I put this in. I used 11 packs for the hairstyle. It was big, so I went ahead and chopped that down. And this is what I got from using this hair. Now you guys see this hair looks like it looks like Bohemian by Free Tress, but it's not. It doesn't give you that frizz look. It doesn't give you that tangling. I mean, it just looks like your natural curl pattern. It looks like a natural kinky afro. And so you guys look at this. Look how that looks. It looks like an afro, your own hair. And then on top of that, it feels so super soft. I mean, it feels like it's wool. It really feels like it's wool. It feels like cotton. It really does. I mean, people think this is actually my hair, and it's not. And I love the look. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. Look how natural that looks. It is good for shampooing. It is good for working out. You can wear this hair for about 6 weeks. You don't have to wear a bonnet every night, but you know, put your bonnet on, but you don't have to. It's really flexible and it's really easy breezy hair. It really is. So you guys come in and make your appointment to get this look. I love it. I love it. I love it. If I could wear this for the whole rest of the year, I would. I really would. I really would. I'm just loving, what is that, a little something in my hair? But I'm loving this look, you guys. See, it's even staying in there, whatever that is. That's a little piece. Anyways, I'm loving this look. I am loving it. And look, you could just do it like that. Look, you could just do it like that. And like in the mornings, I'm getting up and I'm looking crazy, you know, like looking, because like, you know, you sleep on it, right? Okay, so look, check it out. Look, it's looking crazy. Look how crazy that's looking. But check it out, you guys. Just take it, do like that, move it around, get the style you want. You know, just take it, play with it, stretch it, pull it, keep pulling it till you get the look you're looking for. And once you get that look at that, you guys. You can take it right back to how you want it to be. You know, and if there's any like extra pieces that are hanging out, you know, you just clip it. Just clip off the little stray pieces. See, that just came out right there. And I had it in for a minute, but you just clip it, play with it, stretch it. See that? See that? And it just goes right back to looking fabulous. Yeah, you just play with it. See that? You know, don't be afraid to play with it. If a piece here and there comes out, as long as the whole thing is not coming out, you know, because I've had this in for a few weeks now. But yeah, but this is it, you guys. The Twist Rod 6-inch. And see, look, see how that hangs like that? You just take it and clip that off like that. That's all you got to do. And if you want to, you know, just take it. See that right there? Just take it and just keep those little pieces off and just play with it until you get the look that you're looking for. You know? So anyways, this is what it is. I absolutely love this hair. It is easy to take care of. It's easy to manage. And, you know, even for people, you're not really a hair person, this is really, really nice hair. You know, really, especially if you are the kind of people that you wear your twist styles or you wear your natural hair and you want to keep that natural look going, then this is the hair for you. So here you goes, guys. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, make your appointments. Be blessed.